Anything Trevor wants to add before we start?
I'm tired.
We're at the boat, as you just saw, and we're gonna finish doing the backsplash all the way up, and then the shelving stuff's just gonna go through it. We figure it'll be a good way to help hold it in place, because that'll be, I mean, this is already sticking here. It's really strong adhesive, but it'll be here, and then the shelves, the screws for those will go through it as well, and that'll help just kind of make sure it's extra thoroughly stuck into place. Also, there's the shelf that we put in, which you can yank on back and forth, and it moves the whole boat, so it should be fine to stay.
We got off work very late last night, and we got up early because we're dedicated.
We're dead.
We're dead and dedicated.
Yes. All right, so we're gonna start with that, and then see what else we can do. Because usually we say we're gonna do all these things, and we get one thing done.
Classic us.
Right. So we'll get started and see how it goes.
Ah, Henry's first blowjob on the boat.
That is flop. Trevor's favorite thing: breathe in the nest tone. Emphasis on the tone.
This is doing nothing.
It's supposed to basically do nothing. It's just kind of getting like the surface. What are you hoping for? Have the paint peeled off?
Yes. Oh, we should. We need to sand that down.
Oh, are you gonna sand it now?
Yeah.
The perfectionist in Trevor can't let it.
Excuse you. Winkle.
Good enough?
Yeah. Well, this isn't straight up and down.
Oh god, this is where it starts.
Yeah. I think it would maybe be easier to start
In the middle? Or we put that there and then we cut those squares out.
Well, yeah, but look, you can already tell how much it's off. So we're gonna run into the same issue we ran into for the bottom of this
Right.
over here, which isn't flat or flush because nothing on the boat is flush or true. So it's like,
Well, I mean, if you like that, then you're gonna have that problem.
well, I know. That's what I'm saying. That's why I wonder if,
Where are you gonna float that?
well, what, trying to think of. Do we, I think we do like this or something, and then try to get, I think we start up here and try to get it fairly close where one of these would close the gap down here for the most part. And then we trace it like we did for this last finished bottom part that was way faster than us trying to make every single tile perfect. And then I think we do the same thing over here. So I think we like cut these. I mean, I think we work our way up like and over, and then we fill in these gaps here and here by like with a stencil like we did for down over here.
Okay, so it should be faster.
I would think. Like it's what we learned a lot from over here. I mean, it's that we were doing it wrong.
Like 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours to lay like 4 pieces because we were custom trimming every single piece. Do we have a level? How do we not have a level in here? So we're gonna get it level here and then use it as a stencil to kind of create the rest of the outline for. Stop talking! Well, we've used it before for other things.
I know, it was the stupidest thing ever because we're on a
No,
boat.
it wasn't. Does that seem level? Get it. Wait. Where's that ruler? If you're sitting on it. Henry likes long shafts underneath his body at all times.
So what? Yeah, it's after the 3. There's 3 inches. Heyo.
Hey-o. Yeah, and now that's like a couple centimeters off.
So if I hold this here, and you lower that side just a little bit. Good. So now what, do we just peel the tape off top part and start putting it on? Probably the best way to do it, I feel like.
I guess, yeah.
You hold, I'll pull.
Measure 57 times, stick once.
Ready?
Okay.
I hope this works.
You need my sister.
Ooh, yeah.
I mean, that's pretty great.
Okay.
So
There you go, first piece down. Just attached to this. You can literally take this piece. Do you want that similar one up there, or do you want a darker one? Probably the darker one, right?
Probably that one.
So you can make that. Like that.
And then get a pen.
I just need to get a mark. I can put a mark.
Is this still recording?
Could be.
How are we gonna get, once we stick this piece down though, getting these ones in here is gonna be damn near impossible.
Yep.
So maybe we gotta do these first somehow.
Don't know how. It's also probably gonna be more than 5 centimeters, I had to guess, because oh, we can do it. We can do it. We'll just start that way and work our way forward.
Which way?
That way. Come this way.
Hypothetically, we should just be able to put these.
You want the ruler and you can line up these lines?
Shouldn't we just be able to stack them just like this? Not quite.
I didn't expect it to.
Pretty close though, as far as like not needing to cut that much off. Yeah, I think all the way up looks good.
On the side, man. And we can, like we said, we can put stuff through. We can just drill through it.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut this carefully. Right there, you think? That was just inside.
Yeah, I would think
Or should I
so.
go some inch less?
Because this is a little bit proud of this wall right here,
I'm proud of the whole wall.
so it needs to be a little bit closer.
We're not paid to do that, Trevor. We're not paid at all. But follow us on Patreon.
Yeah, that we don't have.
Look at that.
Which is just look.
And then we got these for. It is kind of a dull way to get on. But it's cutting some stuff that I don't think it's really designed to cut. Because it's not a big, beefy razor blade like what Trevor wanted.
Damn straight.
I can take more off. Oh, that's actually really good.
No, that's perfect. Yeah.
Thanks. I've been working out.
Look.
This took us way less time, other than the initial piece. And then this is gonna get covered up by, actually I was thinking instead of a metal bracket, Trevor, they make them with corner guards for walls, and then just paint it with like Rust-Oleum metal, because a real metal one, probably rust. But a painted one.
We could just cover a real metal one with, or paint it black.
But why not just do plastic?
A plastic one and paint it black.
Or gray or whatever.
Yeah, that's true too.
It's like $4 for a plastic one.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We're budget boaters. Yeah. We're boating on a budget, sorry.
We are that. Why don't we use this as a stencil now for the bottom?
Well, if you look at this, you got this, which is take off like an 1/8 of an inch probably.
Well, yeah, but it might not be that true the whole time. Here, let me see this.
Everything I do is true, Trevor.
Yeah,
we know it's gonna get taller. We established that in the beginning.
It's not too. Don't have to trim too much off.
This side you do, but that's because it's
the
angle of the dangle and all that stuff.
Well, I was kind of wondering if we could use these right here.
We can. Have to trim off that side.
Just individual pieces, do you think?
Well, how long is it compared to the rest? That's about 1/2 inch. Too long it looks like. Let's just work our way up and we'll deal with the borders after. I think it's probably the better,
I think so.
the nicer way to do it. Instead of just staring at it for a while.
Yeah.
Don't fuck it up. It's all you.
You're dead to me.
That happened a long time ago.
You're more dead to me than you're dead, brother.
Well, it's a good thing that winch handle's in the way.
Yeah.
Piece number 2 for today.
It'll be fine, they said.
This is gonna be the nicest Aquarius 23 in the whole world.
Maybe this way, a little bit more contrast. Well, the bummer about a ruler is you can change it to any angle and be like, that's perfect. That's perfect. Over here, it does seem like really close. So.
It would have to be the same. They don't vary that much. And we should pull off part of it before we start really doing that, though. Because then we're gonna take it back down and then we have to put it back up again.
What do you mean?
Like Chumbawamba. Why do you even paint this then?
How were we supposed to know?
Nah, that's true.
I'm the one that's like, make it prettier, make it more modern.
Get it, Trevor.
Get it, work it, work it. What is that, 50 Cent in Jeremiah? That'd be a pretty good little snippet of sound.
I haven't heard that in a long time. It's starting to look like a kitchen.
I like it. It's weird. It's a modern, fancy little galley.
Right.
I like how it's like a little bit rustic, but it's still fancy, and then this is all tying together. I like how when we did that drawing, that concept drawing, it was just like, oh yeah, this is kind of my aesthetic. Like maybe it could work if we actually decide to go that direction. And then it's actually kind of turning into that, and we never even ever planned for it to actually be that. So that's kind of fun.
All right. Next piece.
Next.
That's not going anywhere.
Is you guys, I just wanted to do a little quick update to confirm that we're master craftsmen now after doing this for a total of maybe 2.5 to 3.5 hours. It's getting there. I mean, we as adults know how to peel off a sticker and then shove it up against the wall. So
well, at least we made it correctly with our saying shove it up against the wall.
Yeah.
And then shove it up against the wall.
And then shove it up against the wall. It looks cool though. Okay, well, wait a second. What if we just took this whole...
That bottom one can come out, but we
For
still have to
sure.
do... Like
Oh,
that.
and then we could use these bottoms for
Yeah.
down there, which is
Yeah.
nice.
We'll go by centimeters, kind of like when you go grams instead of ounces, because it's more accurate.
Yeah.
1.5 centimeters.
Or like,
Like,
it's
if
basically
you-
a half inch,
If
isn't
you
it?
scoot that side over, I can't see. 1 centimeter just over.
Yeah, just over us.
I did it like you said, Trevor.
What did we do
Is
wrong
it
here?
upside down?
It's the fact that it's the way they interlock, the way that they're designed to interlock. We were supposed to leave this because this one went like this. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No?
Not at all.
So the tile pattern, the way that these are
Right.
designed to interlock, we should have cut this top piece off.
We did.
Did we?
Yep.
No.
Yep. We just flipped it over at some point. That's at 0% battery, Trevor. Say bye to it before the battery runs out.
Bye.
It's actually pretty accurate, even up on top too. Okay, now this side. Are we starting in the middle?
Sorry.
Nice. Sink. Some jackass just had to put this in advance. Oh,
Yeah.
hey.
Should we just keep holding a couple other pieces up to make sure it's all like...
Nope.
And that end piece is gonna be a bitch.
Yes, it is.
But if we do a stencil
We could just do
with tape,
a shitload of tape.
that's what I mean, yeah.
What happened here? Alright, do a different piece of line. Yeah. Okay. Where's that pen? Right there. Okay.
Breaks your GoPro.
Let me have this, Trevor.
Are you losing your mind? What's happening right now?
Yes. Well, yeah, we can push it down.
What is it?
It's
Stuck
close
down
enough
over
for
there?
me. Yeah.
Okay. What are we doing here?
I don't know.
It's just the way you put, like we put force on it while we're peeling is the only thing that matters.
You actually should tear it at the end, or is that all the way up?
That's all right.
Next piece. Alright. It's going so much faster. It's okay that I did that.
Leave the finish work to old Trev. Yeah, at this point I think we're
Committed?
good to do all of it. What?
Perfect.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
You cut it the wrong way,
Yeah.
didn't you?
How? No, it's right. Okay, good. I'm like, we measured it from this side. How did we fuck that up? Might be a little short. Oh, yeah, I made it pretty short. It's fine. It's gonna get covered up.
I mean, that's gonna have to be a pretty
It's an inch and a half.
in each direction.
Each direction.
Okay, yeah. It's like the Transformers.
We're doing it, guys. Dude, just call it for today. And
What time is it?
almost noon.
We're just getting a. We're so close though. This is gonna be a bitch.
Yeah, we're ready to cut around at once.
Dude, it looks so good. It looks nice, dude. The whole thing looks really nice. All the gray, like I think it looks really good. It's not too much though,
Like by
you know?
here?
There's enough. The boat is so crisp and white, and like the gray isn't overbearing. Like it's not too dark. It's lighter. I don't think.
Ignore this. This gets covered.
I don't think. I don't. If it was lighter gray, I don't think it would look very good.
Like the other stuff we have, wherever that is at this point.
Where?
The old ones.
Oh yeah, dude. These look so much better.
What do you want to do, Trevor? Do you want to
We could. I mean, we could line it up over here and just. I don't know. I feel like we're gonna be so. Like cutting that and doing all that is gonna that's gonna take a few minutes before we know it. We'll be like rushing for you to get to work and shit. So probably just call it. And
Call
be
it
happy
today.
with what we got done.
We got
Yeah.
a lot done. I mean, we only had what? It's been an hour and 50 minutes. We didn't have very much time today.
I know. We still
Unfortunately.
tried to get out here like pretty early, but I admittedly was having a.
And then traffic.
Oh yeah. Traffic's been fucking gnarly lately.
We'll leave this deck here. Set it over there in the corner. Maybe it'll weigh down the bubbles.
Yeah.
They're not very big.
No, but they're like.
You're not really gonna notice them after the resin and stuff's down. I feel like.
That's what I'm saying. I wonder just like very slightly like
Tinting it.
tinting
You see the one on there? Subscribe and hit that bell. And if you already subscribed and hit that bell, hit that like button.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. I'm glitching like
It's just the front one though.
Oh, weird.
Next episode, Henry goes to the hospital.
Every good project needs at least one hospital trip.
Oh, he's killing a goose.
I mean, the fake wood would be kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, but then
The vinyl.
yeah, like make it like kind of like almost like cartoony fake, you know, like on purpose. And then you walk in and you just have like this super nice interior. This week on Tile Watch, putting in that galley, mother truckers.